In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no sound on YouTube using a quick Google search. Let's get started right from your web browser. On your computer, phone, or tablet, open any browser you're comfortable with. This could be Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or another modern browser. Once it's open, click or tap into the address bar at the top of the screen. This is where you normally type website addresses or search terms. Type in the phrase, "How to fix no sound on YouTube." You don't need any extra words or symbols. Just that exact sentence works really well because it clearly tells Google what you're trying to solve. When you finish typing, press Enter on your keyboard or tap the search button on your device. After a moment, you'll see the Google search results page load. This page usually shows a list of links, sometimes a featured box at the top, and maybe some videos or images related to your problem. Take a second to scan the page so you're familiar with what you're seeing. You should notice results from well-known tech help sites, community forums, and sometimes YouTube's own help pages. Now, focus on the highlighted result that stands out as the most relevant guide for fixing YouTube sound issues. This is often near the top of the page and may have a clear title like, "How to Fix No Sound on YouTube," or something very close to that. It might also be inside a special help box that Google shows when there's a common problem like this. Move your mouse pointer over that highlighted link, or tap it if you're on a mobile device. Go ahead and click or tap to open it. This will take you to a detailed article or help page that walks you through different troubleshooting steps. These steps often include checking your device volume, making sure the YouTube player isn't muted, adjusting system sound settings, and sometimes updating your browser or app. As you follow that guide, work through each solution one at a time. After you try a step, test a YouTube video briefly to see if the sound has returned before moving on to the next suggestion. That way, you'll know exactly which fix worked for you, and you won't spend extra time on changes you don't need. By starting with this targeted Google search and then clicking the highlighted result, you're using the fastest path to a reliable, up-to-date solution for getting your YouTube sound working again.